How to change font size to small on Facebook Lite. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that. First of all, open up your Facebook Lite application. Once you open up the app, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, in order to head over to your settings, tap on the three bars icon at the top right. Then you'll land on this menu page. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. And right under here, you'll find Settings. Now, once you are on the settings menu, all you have to do is find the font size option under preferences. In some devices, it might be available. It will be right under media. But if this is not available to you, what you need to do is change the font size of your entire device. So simply go ahead and go to your home page. Tap on the gear icon to open settings. And once your settings is open, scroll down until you find general management. Here you could tap on this. You could also change the font size of your keyboard, but if you want to change the font size of your entire device, just scroll up until you find display settings. And right here, if you scroll down, you'll find font size and style. Now you can select the font size, make it smaller. So let me just make it all the way to the left to make it the smallest. What I'm going to do now is go back to my home screen. Then I'm just going to go ahead and open Facebook Lite again. And it will load again. So as you can see, the font size has shrunk down a bit. So that's how you basically change the font size on Facebook Lite. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.